Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This video is going to be about some price predictions for the AMP token for 2025. If you guys are interested in this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It means a bunch. Now guys, I think you will be surprised with some of the numbers that I've pulled from actual websites. These are published websites for 2025 AMP token price predictions. And before we get into that, let's just check out the AMP token where it is right now. So it's currently sitting at a little over 4 cents and it's number 59 by ranking for the total market cap. And the market cap right now is 1.8 billion. So we're slowly climbing back up, but you know, we still have a ways to go. Just checking out some TA real quick, some quick technical analysis of the AMP token. Of course, we've been in this downward spiral since, you know, the bull run started cooling off a little bit. Hopefully we get back into the bull run. It looks like we have a very, very strong level of support right around that 4 cent range. And then also a pretty solid level of resistance for right now. So I think we'll be continuing to bounce as much as we don't want to between this 4 cent mark and 5 cent mark until we get some more news from Bitcoin. Once again, all the altcoins are coupled to Bitcoin. So until we decouple from Bitcoin, we will just, you know, continue staying in this channel. Now, getting into those price predictions, I know it's exactly what you wanted. This one is pulled from coinskid.com. The December 2025 price prediction is 27 cents for the end of the year. And we can just round up right now and say that AMP, you know, is trading right around that 5 cent mark. I think that's, you know, safe for easy math. So right above, you know, a 5x from where it is, not too shabby. And this one is coincura.com. Their price prediction is 35 cents. So that is a 7x, over 7 times where it is from the current price. And we will dig a little bit deeper. I've got at least 8 of these. And then at the very end, I will show you the average between all of them. So this one is digitalcoinprice.com. By the end of 2025, they're thinking it'll be right around 15 cents, which is still a 3x from its current price action, guys. And a 3x, you know, that is still really good. Think about the S&P 500. All they're looking at is, you know, 6 to 9% per year annually. And this is, you know, 3x from our current prices. The next one is Walletinvestor.com. The price prediction that they have for end of year is 36 cents. And once again, that is another 7x from the current price. And cryptonews.com 2025, they're looking at 25 cents. So another 5x increase. I think you can see a trend here, guys. AMP token, every single website, every single person thinks, you know, there will be at least a 5x gain from the current price. And that is not a bad place to put your money at all. Investorplace.com, they are thinking 21 cents. Not too bad. A little over 4x. And moving on to another one, coin price forecast by 2025 end of year, they are thinking 42 cents. From their math, they're thinking plus 853%, and they're assuming that the end of year for 2021 is going to be 12 cents. If we close the end of year, you know, right around that 5 cent mark for whatever reason, then, you know, this 853% will skyrocket, assuming that we can reach this number right there. And then the very last one, guys, this one was pulled from a Reddit poll, actually, and the majority voted that it will surpass the $1 mark by the end of the year. And as we all know, we hope that it does. And doing a quick tally, I added up all of the different websites over here, ranging from the mid-20s to the 40s, and then I added that Reddit $1 mark. I know every single one of us wants it to get to $1, and the conservative average is about 38 cents. And guys, that is still over 7x from its current price. It's a lot of gains. I know all of us want that $1 mark, but 38 cents is not bad at all. And once again, this was just a fun video. We were looking at price predictions for AMP token in 2025. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.